Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ifamauche. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. And if this is your first time seeing this pretty face, hi, my name is Ifamauche. Here on my channel I talk about beauty, lifestyle, and general happy vibes. If that's what you're into, please join my family by hitting the subscribe button down below. Also turn on bell notification so when I upload amazing videos like this, you will not miss out. So today we'll be creating this simple but chic green and white look in tribute to Nigeria's independence, people. So yes, we're doing that. Let's get right to the video. All products used in this video are listed in my description box down below, so you can check that out. But first, I'm going in with the Pond Long Lasting Oil Control Primer, just to prime the face and keep the makeup in check. You know the drill. Then next I'm going in with the Vessi Goldsmith Matte Foundation. Guys, you know me, if it's not full coverage, I'm not interested. This foundation is full coverage with one coat. You can try it out and thank me later. Don't mind my spontaneous dance moves, like Burna Boy's album was just giving me vibes. So I'm going to highlight my face with Ferrarici concealer from FBH Cosmetics. So I decided to do a simple powder contour, and I'll do that with a classic finishing powder. Straight to the point. Like, I'm really loving this classic powder. Oh my god, it's all given. So for my setting powder, I'm going in with the Flawless Loose Setting Powder. So next I'm going in with the star of the show, Zaron eyeliner in the shade J03. Basically, aside the skin work, the rest of the makeup was done with either an eyeliner or a lipstick. Yeah, so I'm going to draw my brows with this gel liner. Then I went back in with the Ferrucci concealer just to clean out the tail a little bit, so to give it that sharp eyebrow look. Next, I'm going to dust off the setting powder with a finishing powder from Zara. So next I'm going in with a white color crush eyeliner in the shade Frosty from Blossom Makeup. So prior to this video, I had prepared my false lashes painted in green and white, to fit the vibe and the mood. So I'm just using a bit of white lipstick to like coat my natural lashes. I don't want black sticking out in between white and green. Oh, and the lipstick is from Image Cosmetics, their lipstick palettes. So after putting on the false lashes, I noticed that coating my natural lashes white wasn't the best idea. So I decided to, top it up with a green so it will blend properly and look more green and whitey. So for my lower lashes, I wanted to smoke it out a bit. I went in with a black eyeshadow from Hush Palettes, I think. I'm not quite sure, but I'll check it out and put it in the description box. And topped it up with a green to have the black and green feeling, or dark green feeling. So for my lipstick, I couldn't quite find the perfect green shade to go with the other grades. So like I said, I had to use the star of the show, the Zara gel liner. I used it to line my lips as a lipstick. Then I went in with a white lipstick for the center to give the green and white look proper. So for the inner corners of my eye, I went in with a white eyeshadow from Hush Beauty Palettes. For my blush, I'm not quite sure the name of the product I used because I've had it for a while and the name seemed to have scratched off the pack, so just use a pink blush. While for my highlighter, I use Technique Get Gorgeous. That is practically the only highlighter I use because it serves the purpose well, and I'm very religious to good products. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching it because I had an amazing time creating this green and white look in tribute to Nigeria. Okay, if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification so when I upload amazing videos like this, you will not miss out. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, bye. Happy Independence, Nigeria.